Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lush Fashion. For today video is about very amazing and stunning different types of short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest fashion trends. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my all upcoming videos. There are many different types of short pixie bob haircuts. You should must choose a stylish and gorgeous haircut according to your face posture that suits on your face cut so that you can look gorgeous and stunning. Dear viewers, take care and keep visiting my channel for more updates related to trendy hairstyles, haircut, and hair dye ideas. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my channel for more updates.